Hey guys, let's do some work on the Daytona 675 today. I did get started a little bit without you guys. I've changed these mirrors that came on the bike for these ones off a BMW S1000RR, and yeah, they work. You did need to file down the bracket, the mounting holes a little bit, only by like a millimeter each side, because it was a tiny bit too tight. So got one of these. It was really easy to file, really soft metal. Filed it a millimeter each side, fit perfectly. And now when I'm filtering, I can fold the mirrors in, and after I'm done, pop it back out. No need to adjust the mirrors. It's exactly where you needed it to be, where it was last time. Yeah, and I think they look pretty good. Suit the bike. Yeah, happy. So if anyone needs mirrors for their Daytona 675, BMW S1000RR mirrors will work. So there's a few things I've got for this bike that I need to fit now. So this came from America. It's a Delkovich exhaust downpipe manifold, but I don't think I'm going to fit them today because I'm still waiting for new fairings to come. So I'll do these when the whole bike's in pieces. So nice straight through exhaust manifold for the bike. So today I want to install a proper mounting bracket for this CarPlay screen. So currently it's just clamped on the C-clamp, but I've got one of these that I'm going to put in the triple tree, and should look a little bit nicer and work a bit better. And I bought this quick shifter. I got it really cheap. It's not meant for this bike. It's off one of the newer Triumphs, so it does in and out, so auto blip, and so it shifts up and down on the newer bikes, so it has an extra wire. I, for some reason, have taken the gamble anyway. If it works or not, if it's fine, doesn't matter. I think this will work on this bike, but there's only one way to find out, so let's install that today and see if Daytona 20, not even 20, newer than that. It's from a straight triple 20, really new ones with the auto blipper on it. So looks like it'll reach. Should be fine. I think the plug is the same. I'm just not sure the wirings are in the right places. So worst case, I just need to rewire it. But well, let's find out. Let's get to it. First things first, let's take this off. This CarPlay screen is pretty good. I've wired it to the battery and a switch at the moment, which isn't ideal, so I'm going to, as soon as the relays come, I've ordered relays that I'm going to connect to one of the headlights, so I have an accessory wire. So this bike doesn't have an accessory wire at the moment, so I'm going to make a nice little plug that you can connect accessory electronics to. So I've got heated grips coming, which I'm going to wire to that. This I'm going to wire, the CarPlay screen I'm going to wire to it, and yeah, let's get rid of this. If any of you guys are thinking about getting a CarPlay screen for your bike, do it. Just do it. They're cheap. it make such a big difference. So you can see how bodged this was attached. It worked, did the job, but if I can do it better, let's do it better. That's off, that's on the floor. It's a little rubber pad I needed to make it tight. There you go, there's the bracket. And this should, hopefully, or not. Oh no, there's two. So it has two, so let's get rid of this outer one. Don't need it. Put a dead one back in. And there's the bolt that spreads it so that it gets snug in there tight. Yeah, first time. That goes in there. You just crank it tight. Where did I put this? I said, no, that ain't coming off. Now I've got a nice ball mount on my bike. And then this will attach to that. There you go. And now that just looks so much better. It's tight anyway. Seems to be a tiny bit loose. Nothing. Nope, it's not loose, it's just not tightened properly. Need to crank that down a little bit more. Spinning. Yep, yes. I wonder if I'm going to need the impact. Okay, so I might get some glue on that. But for now, it's fine. Yeah, some super glue will stop that spinning. Let's get to the quick shifter. I love how the seat opens on this bike. I'm so used to having to take out bolts, but Now for the moment of truth. Does the quick shifter fit into this plug? Please fit. Do I have to loosen that bit? I reckon I can get it. Nice tight plug. Let's get a piece of wood. Oh, lovely. There you go. Oh, nope, it won't fit in now. So, you can't plug. It's a different plug. So I need to get one of these plugs and wire this into that. Would it have reached? It wouldn't have reached anyway. No. Let's just go and buy. I might just get the normal one. Well, if anyone wants to know where that quick shifter plug is, that's where it is there. There you go, perfect. Not hitting anything, not in the way of anything. That's how you put CarPlay on a Daytona 675. That's the little switch I've got mounted for it, but it's permanent, so when I turn it on, it will always be on even when the bike's off, so that's why I need it on an accessory wire.